Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class of session 7 subtraction. Today we are going to learn about the vertical subtraction by counting backward.
Ten little honeybees buzzing around. One went to the hive, one to the flower. How many honeybees buzzing around? 8 little honeybees are left now. 8 little honeybees buzzing around. One went to the hive, one to a flower. How many honeybees buzzing around? 6 little honeybees are left now. 6 little honeybees buzzing around. One went to the hive, one to a flower. How many honeybees buzzing around? 4 little honeybees are left now. 4 little honeybees buzzing around. One went to the hive, one to a flower. How many honeybees buzzing around? 2 little honeybees are left now. 2 little honeybees buzzing around. One went to the hive, one to a flower. How many honeybees buzzing around? No more honeybees are left now. No more honeybees are left now. No more honeybees are left now.
As we have learned subtraction, we should always remember that subtracting is to take away, and we always count backward when we subtract. So here let's solve one example. Tanu picked 9 flowers. She gave 4 flowers to her mother. How many flowers are left with her? So here total how many flowers are there? Yes, you are correct. There are 9 flowers and she has given 4 flowers to her mother. So we have to count 4 backwards to get the difference between 9 and 4. So let's start count 4 backward. 9, 8, 7, 6. So how many flowers are left with her? Yes, you are correct. She left with 5 flowers. We have done subtraction horizontally. Let's subtract number vertically. In vertical subtraction, we place one number above the other according to the value it has. So here 9 is greater than 4, so we write 9 on the top, and below 9 we can write 4 and put the subtraction sign to find the difference between 9 and 4. So what is the difference between 9 and 4? Yes, you are correct. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So the difference is 5 here. So Tanu left with 5 flowers. Let's see one more example. Out of 18 apples, 7 apples are rotten. How many apples are not rotten? So Here, first we will arrange the numbers vertically. 18 is a bigger number, so we have to I have written on the top, and 7 I have written under the 18. So total apples are 18, 7 apples are rotten, so we have to keep 18 in our mind and count 7 backwards to subtract 7 from 18. So can we count? Yes, so start counting backward from number 17, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. So after count 7 backwards, we reach on number 11. So the difference between 18 and 7 is 11. So we are left with 11 apples, or we can say that 11 apples are not rotten. One more example. There are 15 passengers in a bus. 7 are women. How many men are there in the bus? So here we have to find number of men present in the bus. So we have to arrange the numbers vertically to subtract 15 minus 7. Total passengers are 15 and 7 passengers are women. So we have to keep number 15 in our mind and raise 7 fingers to subtract 7 from 15. So we are using here fingers to count backward. So let's start counting backward from number 14. So 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So we reach on number 8 after counting 7 backward. So what is our answer? Yes, you are correct. Number 8 means the difference between 15 and 7 is 8, and 8 men passengers are there in the bus. Let's solve some more examples. 7 minus 6. So here we have to keep 7 in our mind and count 6 backwards. So let's start from number 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we reach on number 1. So the difference between 7 and 6 is 1. Let's see another example. 13 minus 4. Here we have to keep 13 in our mind and count 4 backwards. So let's start counting backward from number 12. So 12, 11, 10, 9. We reach number 9 after count 4 backwards. So our difference between 13 and 4 is 9. So 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Let's do some more examples. 4 minus 4. Here we are subtracting 4 from number itself. Raise your 4 fingers and start count 4 backward from number 3. So let's start backward counting. 3, 2, 1, 0. We reach on number 0. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So whenever we are subtracting a number from the number itself, the difference is always 0. Let's start the second sum, that is 11 minus 5. Here 5 is the smaller number, so we have to raise 5 fingers to subtract 5 from 11 and start count 5 backwards from number 10. So let's start counting backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So we reach on number 6. So the difference between 11 and 5 is 6. So we can say that 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Now it's the practice time. You have to copy and solve the subtraction problems in your notebook by using backward counting. So please do it and enjoy. Here is a small activity. Students, you have to find out the color of each apple on the tree by solving the subtraction problem. For example, 4 minus 1. What is the difference between 4 and 1? Yes, you are correct. It is 3. On your screen, you are able to see 5 colorful apples which are representing the difference of the subtraction problem given on the tree. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, and the number 3 represented by the purple apple. So we have to color that particular apple by purple color. So please do the activity in your notebook and enjoy.